Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kibor penyak juga Indian Oil Corporation Limited bagi borsen charge gari Boy District kelai soy memorandum of understanding dan nika sekolah result hu jingmud nak bentaban supply hadu arspa san Saudi ki solar powered air spinning units. Ka IOCL kan sami kini ki solar powered air spinning units komisi benta ka jing pentrekam ya ka corporate social responsibility program ya ka bladap mang pisah ka jinglot ka bakot nruar point kena pralak tingta. Habakaran Jikilar Thai Kubor Additional Deputy Commissioner Jongkri Bhoy Raja Brahma uliat ho ba ka Office of Deputy Commissioner Klashim yakani kalar banbo iki Eri Spinning Center hakalai photli ki jakari Ñiang Ryndia hakabagi nongri Ñiang kin dupla ban pentelon yakani kakam yaki Shlem thirk sai Ryndia on sapenya da ki village organization hapo ka jinkmi jongkam Begilai State Rural Livelihood Society but ka Office Jong Deputy Commissioner.
On the 6th February, the DRDA River District signed an agreement with Indian Oil Corporation Limited on the CSR. The subject matter was regarding that enhancement of our sericulture farmer who are engaged in different type of trade, like you can say the rearing of seri, then you can say that cooking and weaving and all. So usually we find in the field level that most of the sericulture farmer engaged, they do go for selling direct to the cooking, the raw form, and there are less farmers that do go for the to go to production of yarn. So in this process, we found that there is a lack of to be go for the mechanized system, like where we can engage more maximum number of farmers to go and produce yarn and the fiber actually from the cocoon, so that this it becomes raw material for the weavers to weave. So it has become like if there's a lot of raw material available in the village actually, so they were opportunity for the employment. They can weave the maximum number so that they produce more. That is another way that is totally an action taken by our department, like from the DRD under the chairmanship of our respected Avila sir, our DC. That spinning wheel, just like providing a gap funding to them through CSR. It will not only bring sudden change into the productivity of the output, but it gives an saving, like it become more efficient, and it will encourage more farmers to come and take this activity. By doing this, it will not only focus to the others, because we have selected only 30 villages as per the fund available. We are looking for more to expand our area, but this is taken as a pilot project. Here we will be employing in each facility centers one of the technician. It will be trained by the companies under the CSR and funded from the on convention with MSRLS. So it will not only tap the growth, and you'll see the the outcome, and will also it will identify the loophole where necessary action to be taken. The overall objective here is to see that the ultimate income of these farmers is to enhance. You have to grow, and through this intervention, such intervention, we hope that will bring a sudden change in this world. And our objective is not only to to give to the some of the farmers, but to make our River district one of the highest producer of dairy products. This is our target, and here right from the from the raw material production and the market, these three things will be taken care of under this project. And that's you can say the new beginning, a new chapter in the River district in the airy sector. There are a lot of things that we have to take care of. There are a lot of challenges, but we want to go step by step, and we are very we're thankful to our chairman DRD and deputy commissioner Sri Avilas Banwal, who has taken his keen interest to bring a change and to make this happening district in the River district. The total cost of project is around 62 lakhs 98,000. When we come to round figure like 63 lakhs, and 254 machines will be proven, and it will be solar. It is a solar spinning wheel, and will be distributed to the self-help group members, those who are engaged in this activity to 250 and 32 comprising of 30 villages. So we have taken right from Bharumbong, then we have got from Umsting block, we have got from Umling block and Jirang block. So we have included from all the blocks, and we have seen that the best, the server group, and where the feasibility is there, we have done the ground report, and we see that, the development comes and the project is a successful one.
Kapor kala day, bapinjit yaki MDC jongpi Shaka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, bat ka Ryndia Hills Autonomous District Council. Ayu kinle lada ki job, ka ay katong, ka bakidon, ki ay kiman, ki bakongsan, ki bakibu hakman. Kita ki jingkeli, ki bapidon kam man yo ya ka jubab, haswa, bapin lek man tap ya ka vote jongpi haka arpuway tarik urampang arajar arpusan. Baik ya ka program, markman, pat ki kertong.